Hello everyone, with the development of video recording technology, reviewing car accidents from the perspective of the person in the car has become an effective method to learn and improve driving skills. These videos provide insight into dangerous situations and how accidents occur. In this article, we will review these videos to find out the factors that contributed to the accident and draw important lessons about traffic safety. Andrew was driving a pickup truck on the freeway in Dallas, Texas, when suddenly the co-worker in front of him crashed into a lane change barrier. His truck was badly damaged, but his co-worker was not injured. The cause was that he had fallen asleep at the wheel. Driving while tired is as dangerous as driving while drunk. If you feel tired, stop and rest or find a safe place to take a nap. Benjamin was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in Los Angeles, California, when suddenly a large truck traveling at high speed crashed into his car. The truck flipped over and created a horrific scene. Miraculously, the truck driver suffered only minor injuries. Joseph was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in Miami, Florida at the posted speed limit. Suddenly, a white car changed lanes abruptly and hit the front of his car. The impact was so strong that the white car was dragged more than 20 meters before it came to a stop. Elijah was driving his pickup truck on the San Francisco, California freeway at a fairly high speed. Therefore, when the cars in front of him braked suddenly, he was unable to slow down in time because his brakes were worn out. Fortunately, no one was injured. Before driving, check your tires, brakes, lights, and other important parts to make sure your vehicle is in good condition. This helps reduce the risk of breakdown while on the road. Adrian was driving his pickup truck on the Las Vegas, Nevada expressway when he suddenly encountered an emergency. The co-worker in front of him braked suddenly, leaving him no time to react. Despite his efforts to brake, Adrian could not avoid the accident. The cause was that a car in front of him suddenly stopped, forcing other cars to make an emergency stop. The incident happened so quickly, there was nothing Adrian could do. Matthew was driving his pickup truck cautiously on a residential street in Greater New York. As he approached an intersection, a red car suddenly crossed without looking, forcing him to swerve to the left. Despite his best efforts to avoid the collision, he still ended up in a collision. When crossing the street, always look carefully before moving. Just this small action can prevent unfortunate accidents and protect everyone's safety. That same day, Matthew was driving his pickup truck carefully on a quiet road in Ann Arbor, Michigan. As he approached an intersection, a black car suddenly sped past. Despite Matthew's best efforts to avoid the collision, he was unable to prevent the collision from happening. Matthew, a man of the same name, was driving his pickup truck on a road in Long Beach, California. While he was driving, a car in front of him suddenly stopped in the middle of the road. Not having time to react, Matthew crashed into the back of the car because he did not keep a safe distance. Julian was driving through the streets of San Francisco, California at high speed. While driving, a car suddenly came out from a small road. Although the distance was still far, Julian still had to react quickly to avoid a collision. Fortunately, no accident happened. While Jaden was driving his pickup truck on the Austin-Travis freeway, a white car suddenly came out of a turn and hit him head-on. To avoid such dangerous situations, it is very important to use your rearview mirrors regularly. This will help you react to unexpected situations in time and ensure your safety. Jaden was driving a pickup truck on the Los Angeles, California freeway when a police car stopped to check multiple vehicles ahead. Because he was using his phone, Jaden did not react in time and crashed into the car in front of him. Using a phone while driving reduces concentration and increases the risk of a serious accident. To ensure safety, if you need to use your phone, pull over to a safe place or use a hands-free device. Connor was driving a pickup truck at high speed on a road in Dallas, Texas. Suddenly, on a curve, the truck lost control and flipped over. Fortunately, he suffered only minor injuries. Jonathan was driving his pickup truck through a slippery road in San Francisco, California. Despite the inclement weather, he was driving at a high rate of speed, causing the truck to lose control and crash onto the side of the road. Fortunately, he was not injured. In inclement weather conditions such as heavy rain or snow, reduce your speed and turn on your headlights for safety. Emmett drove his pickup truck through a crowded residential area in Brighton, Colorado. He was so focused on the stoplight that he didn't notice the cars in front of him that had stopped. When he realized, it was too late. The front of his truck had collided with a white car in front of him. This situation reminds us to always pay attention to both the stoplight and the surrounding vehicles, especially in crowded areas, to avoid unfortunate accidents that may occur. Wesley was driving his pickup truck slowly through a densely populated area in Miami, Florida. Suddenly, the white car in front of him changed lanes as Wesley approached, causing a violent collision that severely damaged the car. To avoid dangerous situations like this, always keep a safe following distance and pay attention while driving, especially in crowded areas. Jason was driving his pickup truck on the freeway in Kalamazoo, Michigan, when he suddenly encountered a car turning right in front of him. He tried to swerve to avoid it, but at high speed, he could not avoid the collision. When driving on the freeway, always keep a safe distance from other vehicles and reduce speed when there is an unexpected situation to ensure safety. Keeping a safe distance is crucial. Declan was driving on a busy highway when the car in front of him suddenly stopped. Because he was so close, he didn't have enough time to react, leading to an unavoidable collision. Adrian claimed he did not run the red light, but the dash cam clearly recorded it. He was driving at high speed and crossed the intersection when the light was still red, causing the car in front of him to not react in time, leading to the collision. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. Always obey traffic signals and slow down when approaching intersections to ensure the safety of yourself and others. Joseph was driving in Jacksonville, Florida, when a reindeer suddenly darted out in front of his car. The suddenness of the incident startled him, but fortunately no accident occurred. In such situations, maintaining a moderate speed and staying focused are extremely important to react quickly. Parker was driving on the freeway in Kent, Michigan at night when suddenly a car in front of him lost control and spun. Fortunately, Parker reacted quickly, stopped in time, and avoided an accident. When driving at night, always maintain a safe following distance and be alert for sudden changes in the road. James was driving on the freeway in Orlando, Florida at night. Suddenly, a car rushed out of a gas station without looking, leaving James no time to react. The impact caused severe damage to his car. Gavin was driving on the San Francisco freeway at night when a car suddenly changed lanes from the other side, leaving Gavin no time to react. The impact sent the car flying off the road, but fortunately no one was injured. When the white car suddenly changed lanes, Thomas was unable to react because he was following the car in front of him too closely. As a result, the white car drove straight down the road, and the accident became unavoidable. Fortunately, the people in the car were not injured. Christopher was driving on a right-of-way in Miami, Florida, when another car suddenly swerved across the road and blocked his path. He immediately braked, but the collision was unavoidable. In this situation, it is important to maintain a safe distance and pay attention to surrounding vehicles. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.